Welcome to Earnings Central. In this video, we'll break down Concentrix's fourth quarter fiscal 2024 earnings. We'll cover key financial performance metrics and dig into insights from the earnings call. All right, let's go. Starting with top-line revenue, the original estimate for Q4 was $2.44 billion. The company actually reported revenue of $2.45 billion, surpassing expectations by 0.4%. This quarterly revenue also marked a 9.9% increase compared to the $2.23 billion reported in the same quarter last year. Moving to adjusted earnings per share, the original estimate for Q4 was $3.01. The company actually reported an EPS of $3.26, exceeding expectations by 8.3%. However, this result reflects a 3% decrease compared to the $3.36 per share reported in the same quarter last year. Now, let's dive into some additional performance metrics highlighted during the earnings call. Concentrix delivered strong free cash flow of $475 million in fiscal year 2024, which is particularly impressive given they were integrating a major acquisition during this period. The company is maintaining a robust liquidity position of $1.5 billion, including over $1 billion in an undrawn credit line, giving them plenty of flexibility for future opportunities. One of the most significant achievements was their debt reduction. They managed to bring down their net debt by $209 million during the year, showing strong commitment to maintaining a healthy balance sheet. Looking at profitability, they delivered a solid operating margin of 14.2% in Q4, though this was slightly down from previous year due to increased technology investments and some transformation-related costs. The company's board showed strong confidence in their future by approving a fresh $600 million share buyback authorization, which signals they believe their stock is undervalued at current levels. Additionally, they returned value to shareholders through dividend payments totaling $84 million during the fiscal year, maintaining their commitment to shareholder returns. Now, let's shift focus to some of the key insights and takeaways from the earnings call. Perhaps the most eye-opening revelation is that half of their clients are now using their generative AI solutions. This isn't just experimental. We're talking about real deployment across hundreds of thousands of desktops and tens of thousands of digital workers, making Concentrix one of the largest enterprise-scale AI deployments globally. Their client relationships are remarkably stable, with their top 25 clients averaging a 16-year tenure. These aren't just any clients. We're talking about major global brands that continue to expand their relationship with Concentrix year after year. This stability is further reinforced by their impressive 99% client retention rate for fiscal year 2024. The company has been actively transforming its business mix, reducing low-complexity work to just 7% of revenue, down from 13% 3 years ago. This strategic shift shows they're moving toward higher-value services. Speaking of transformation, they've generated $1 billion in revenue from solutions that didn't even exist at scale just 24 months ago. Things like data annotation, AI design and deployment, and cybersecurity services. Their IT services division, which they call Catalyst, now represents 8% of total revenue and is showing strong growth. This highlights their successful expansion beyond traditional customer experience services into more technical and strategic capabilities. What's particularly interesting is how they're positioning themselves in the AI revolution. Rather than seeing AI as a threat to their business model, they've turned it into a growth driver by helping clients design, build, and run AI-powered operations. They're not just implementing off-the-shelf solutions. They're creating custom applications and managing the complex ecosystem of data, compliance, and security that surrounds enterprise AI deployment. Looking ahead, while they're taking a conservative approach to their 2025 guidance, the company appears well-positioned to capitalize on increasing demand for AI-enabled business solutions and technology services. Their broad capability set and deep client relationships provide a strong foundation for future growth. That wraps up our recap of Concentrix's fourth quarter fiscal 2024 earnings. If you found this recap helpful and want to stay on top of more earnings reports from other companies, don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more quick and easy breakdowns coming your way from Earnings Central.